Today we're looking at the DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo. This drone packs a 1-inch CMOS wide camera and a 70mm medium telecamera, offering impressive versatility for travel and creator footage. It boasts 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, omnidirectional sensing, and an extended 45-minute flight time. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluated how the DJI Air 3S performs across common creative and practical uses. Its dual camera system and 1-inch sensor are ideal for capturing breathtaking, detailed travel footage, even in challenging light. Advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes ensure smooth and reliable tracking, keeping your subject perfectly framed. The 1-inch CMOS sensor truly excels in low light, capturing nuanced detail and vibrant colors where other drones might struggle. While larger than the Mini series, its portability is quite good given its advanced dual camera capabilities and feature set. This drone excels for creators needing high-quality footage for travel and diverse shooting needs, handling most. We assess if the DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo offers good value for. The versatile dual camera setup and advanced flight and camera technologies clearly justify the cost for dedicated creators. DJI's established reputation for quality, innovation, and reliable products provides significant buyer confidence. It holds its own very well against competitors, especially with its unique dual camera system and comprehensive feature set. The inclusion of the Fly More Combo bundle, with extra batteries and accessories, significantly enhances the overall value proposition. This drone offers excellent value for serious creators, especially with the generous Fly More kit enhancing. We examine the primary risks and common complaints associated with the DJI Air 3S. DJI is renowned for its robust build quality, which ensures both durability and critical flight safety. Advanced flight systems and intelligent features like Smart RTH contribute to a consistently reliable and safe flight experience. DJI provides a comprehensive support network and warranty, offering peace of mind for this premium device. Some users report occasional issues with app download restrictions or regional limitations, which is a point to be aware of. The primary caveats are its larger size compared to mini drones and potential DJI app download. If you're a creator who values dual camera flexibility or a traveler needing consistently high-quality aerial footage, the DJI Air 3S is a top contender.